How do you change your Gmail password? I'll show you here. It's really simple, guys. I'm going to do it on the computer, but you can do it on your phone too, okay? So, as you can see, I'm logged into my Google account here. Now you're going to click on your profile picture once you're logged in, and then click on this option to manage your Google account. Click it. You'll be taken to this page. Since you want to change your Gmail password, you're going to click on this second option, which is personal information. Click it. Again, you'll be redirected. Here you're going to scroll down. Of course, I'm covering my information. Keep scrolling down and you'll get to the password page. There you go. Here you'll find the password option and it will show you the last time you changed it. You can click it. You'll come to this page and the system will ask you to enter your password again. This is just to confirm that it's really you, okay? So it's not someone else trying to change your Gmail password. You type it in, mine is saved here. I'll click continue. And by clicking continue, you guys will get to the option to change your password. Basically, if you want to change yours, just type your new password here. As you can see, know that it has to be at least 8 characters long. Don't use any password from another site you have or anything too obvious like your birthday or your pet's name and so on. Type it here, repeat the same password here, and then just click to change your Gmail password. It's simple and quick. I don't want to change mine. I changed it not long ago, but all you have to do is type it here, repeat it here, and click to change. I hope I helped those who wanted to know how to change their Gmail password. If I helped you, don't forget, help me too by subscribing to the channel.